CNQ Revisited, guys. That is Canadian Natural Resources on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And I believe I did an episode in April on CNQ, guys. And time has moved on. Candles has been added. The chart morphed. Where was April? Is this the April? Yeah, right here. So I think it was April 12th. I think the price action was somewhere down here. We'll probably get to confirm on the weekly. And I thought CNQ was going to prepping for a stage 2 breakout. And look where it is today, guys. May, June, July. I actually got an alert. Here's my last alert I got. That's what's fun about sending alerts. And this one's got busted probably today, 70 cents. It's probably maybe below this level. Wow, this is the high. Ultimate high. At least up from the 10-year chart. Patterns within patterns, remember. And the chart has morphed. You had another launching pattern right here. Just like that. Could even make a case that I had another smaller, closer pattern to the breakout line. And here's the tightest one. Always look the closest targets to the breakout, the closest patterns giving implied measure moves added to breakout lines. Those are the most probable ones of reaching their target. After that, if that pattern gives you a bigger pattern right here, where you have a further away target right here, or you could even, if you're greedy, take it here, add it to the breakout line. Let's condense that. Give a further away target, less probable possible target reaching. But they all build, so you could take this as your first target, 50, and after that they add on. And after that, you see from this huge pattern, guys, this humongous pattern. That's crazy. Well, it looks crazy, right? But I could condense it. And it doesn't look as impressive. But 1, 2, I don't even know what it was before 2009. Wow, it's another top here. 1, 2, 3. That's like an important plus 10 years base, if you could call it that. And this is the ultimate target right here. And what I like about this is I like multiple retests of a breakout line, but I like it when we get an all-time high, when there's a launching pattern right here. So the market had to iron out whatever it had to. It's just not like a burst through in a parabolic mode and just goes up and then goes back down. This had time to slow down, wind down, tempt that breakout territory, work it out, and then eventually when the supply evaporates or the demand increases or a combination of both, then you start piercing through that. So this is looking like a mega nice big move coming up for CNQ, guys. This is the crazy target, the greedy target I call it, furthest away. And then I have these intermediate smaller targets, launching patterns. But this one has almost been reached, its launching pattern right here at 50, almost there. Then you have this bigger pattern right here on that launching right here, 55, 56. Bam, guys. Look, if we have a monthly close above, if this candle could close above 48, it's this big pattern that's confirmed right here. You could use this target here as your first target. Let's remove that. Well, Patrick, what are you doing? There's actually this pattern here. It was confirmed in June with this candle here. So this measure move, this first candle right here, this one's confirmed. It's confirmed. You know there's previous resistance here at the 48, but the breakout above 46.40, that's confirmed in June. Now you know there's resistance at 48, 48.35, might be a pullback, etc. So when you go on smaller time frames, you have to expect that you might get a pullback at that region. But after that, once it goes through, then after that, there's no more overhead resistance here. Wow, bam, man. This is a big one. This is really, really a big one. I could have gone in here of this base, and I could have watched that and said, guys, let's just wait for that close above 48.35, and it's trying to bust through it right there. All right, let's head on down south. Weekly, Stan Weinstein, revisiting CNQ. Where was my May candle? No, I said April 12th, I did the post. April 6th, candle, April 9th. So it was this candle right here. This one right here. And I was looking at it. I thought it was attempting a breakout. And it kind of did. But that's the first breakout of base. Goes up. Right here, what's this one here? Yeah, see that red volume here? Not super duper. I guess we could zoom in here on this candle eventually to see the health of it. But it kind of tells you that it needs some more time to marinate. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at this candle. I just want to make sure. Because it's red, but you see it closed really close. If the price would have been up, all that volume would have been green. So what we do is we zoom in on the daily and we get to see breakdown that 5-day week. You see, most of it was green. So it gapped down when that week start. It gapped down, but most of the volume was green. So that's kind of healthy, actually. Well, healthier. Ideally, you wouldn't want to gap down, but it's a little healthier. Got to evaluate, man. I could put maybe start a scale and or not. A red candle on the pullback when you're going up. Big red candle when you're going up. It's not good. That's red. Stuff like this where it's a lot of red. You have red volume on a candle where there's a long wick and you're not sure where the volume was. Was it then you get to zoom in. Could call that a yellow. That means a yellow grade. Not good, but not super bearish or not super warning sign. And if it's a green candle on high volume with almost no wick, then you know that's a very good sign. It's green. So this one didn't work out here. We didn't have the volume actually to go out, not twice average volume of the previous 4 or 5 weeks. Price action went back down, still roaming in that stage 3 territory. Stage 2, yeah, stage 3, and now back to a stage 2. Volume quieting down on the pullback. That's starting to get healthy. Green candles on the way up. So here the base breakout didn't quite make it out. Here's another breakout off of that small base right here with this candle right here. Man, the volume is hard. It's hard on this one. I don't know. It's hard to. It always seems to have a lot of days with a lot of volume. And then price action quieting down, and right here, that's where we are. So today's Tuesday's close. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, the volume might end up here to maybe 12 million and a half. So we might need, if it's not this week, maybe next week, another candle like that. And ideally, maybe to coincide, maybe have it at a little rough time here. And after that, maybe close a little higher to have that monthly defined breakout above 48.35. To have that weekly Stan Weinstein stage 2 confirmed breakout with that higher volume, guys. I'd like to see 20 million actually. And then we're out. And that, see how this 30-week moving average trying to go up with the price action pulling it up, burst, didn't help it here, but now it's trying to angle up. In the next few weeks, guys, it should be looking like this, man. So this is really, really nice stage 2. Embryonics breakout, secondary breakout, pulling it upwards, and maybe this is the third one, and this could be a go. Looking very, very good, guys. SynQ, man, this is a monster. You got to keep an eye on this one, guys. I'm going to keep my chart open, see how it ends the week. Set some more alerts just in case I close my charting software or something happens. So wherever it moves, I get... and I'm not too stressed about pennies, like if I didn't get perfectly on it. Even if I'm a week late, you always have opportunities to get in. And then there's a pullback, which is a great opportunity. If the pullback's on contracting low volume, it even actually confirms that that breakout is really healthy. It's a stage 2 breakout. And then you have an opportunity to get in there, guys. So there's many techniques, the emotional management techniques that overlap with your framework. So if you get yourself excuses, or you know that your framework is going to permit you to get in a trade, even if you miss the first week or two, you won't feel stressed. You'll remove those emotions, and you'll be able to enter the trade without forcing things. All right, that's it, guys. Signing off. See ya. Ciao. Do 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 do.